So, attorney, please tell me, ano nga ba ang mapupunta kay Zoe?
Actually po, hindi na po pinasasama ni Sir Pepe si Miss Zoe Tanyag sa last will and testament niya.
What? Are you kidding? Eh si Zoe nga lang ang dapat nasa will because she is the only legal na apo.
I shouldn't have said that. I'm very sorry.
Attorney, totoo ba to? Please tell us.
Actually, RJ, nung bago pa nawala si Sir Pepe, nagkausap kami by phone. Sinabi niya sa akin na tanggalin na sa kanyang testamento si Miss Zoe Tanyag at just to divide the properties between Miss Annalyn Santos and Miss Justine Refuerzo. In fact, I have prepared a revised document already. Kaya lang, kailangan kasing pirmahan pa yun muna ni Sir Pepe for it to take effect. At dahil hindi pa niya ito napipirmahan, the original will take precedence.
What?
Ma'am, kasi kailangang mapirmahan muna yung bagong testamento. At dahil hindi pa ito napipirmahan ni Sir Pepe, ibig sabihin, nasa will pa rin si Miss Zoe. And maliban na lamang kung pirmahan niya ito kapag nagising na siya. And if I may continue, to my granddaughter, Zoe Tanyag, I hereby bequeath to you the penthouse at Royal Soledad Residences in Taguig City and the sum of 10 million pesos.
Attorney, pinatanggal ng papa si Zoe sa last will and testament niya. So there must be a grave reason for that. Did he tell you?
Hindi na niya nabanggit sa akin kasi nung nagkausap kami, he seemed to be in a rush and he seemed to be agitated at that time.
In a rush and agitated? And that was the same day he was kidnapped.
Oh, ba't nakatingin ka na naman sa akin?
Moira, nagwa 1+1 lang ako. For my father to have Zoe taken out of the will, there must be a grave reason.
Ano? Kidnap na naman? Pwede ba, Giselle? Kung na-kidnap nga si Papa, how would he make a call? And if he did have a chance to make a call, bakit yung attorney yung tatawagan niya, hindi kayo o yung mga pulis? Pwede ba? Mag-isip ka nga.
Ate, tapos na tayo sa issue na yan. And Moira has a point. Baka naman walang kinalaman yung nangyari kay Papa sa pagtanggal niya kay Zoe sa last will and testament. Baka naman may pinag-awayan sila o naggalit siya kay Zoe na hindi natin alam.
O Beng, nag-away din naman kayo ni Papa pero hindi kanya tinanggal sa will.
Ate, kilala mo naman si Papa. Impulsive at matampuhin siya.
I don't think so. Para tanggalin ni Papa si Zoe sa will, there must be a reason na katanggal-tanggal. But anyway, my dear sister-in-law, don't worry. Kapag nagising si Papa, malalaman din natin ang totoong dahilan. But meanwhile, huwag ka muna magpakasaya. Delay your celebration.